Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about the rectangle. So now I will show you how to answer. The floor of a shape given on the right has an area of 171 square feet. The floor is in the shape of a rectangle whose length is 1 foot less than twice the width. Find the length and the width. So now I will show you how to answer. First, I will put about the width equals to s, and we know that s should be greater than number 0 because this is about the rectangle, so the value should be about the positive number. The next one, the length is 1 foot less than twice the width, so the length in this situation that should be about 2s minus 1 because less than 1 foot, that's why we have negative number 1 twice the width because we have s, so we have twice, that means double s, so we have 2s. And the next one, an area is about 171, so we know that area should be about the width multiplied by the length. So we have the value of area is about 171, and the width that's about s, length that's about 2s minus 1. Now we have s multiplied by 2s and negative number 1 in here. Next, I will put this one go to the right. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have two solutions. That is about s equals to 9.5. And the next one, negative number 9. So negative number 9 is smaller than number 0. So we need to reject about this number in here. This one is greater than number 0. So we need to accept about this number in here. So we have s equal to 9.5 feet. And this is about for the width. Now if we want to find the length, we have 2s minus 1. So we have number 2 multiplied by 9.5 minus 1. So this one we have 18. This is the end. Thank you for watching.